afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education past question. Question number 58 says, which of the following is not a characteristic of rule of law? Now, I want to talk of rule of law. Rule of law was propounded by Professor A. B. I see. And he said that nobody is above the law, or equality before the law. So, or equality before the law. So, which of the following is not a characteristic of rule of law? A. Adherence to human rights principle. Yes. Equality before the law. It is a characteristic of law. Yes. Undue punishment before the law. University of the law. University of the law. D. University of the law. E. Unlimited power of the police. So, by this, which one is not a characteristic of rule of law? Undue punishment before the law, which is option C, is not a characteristic of rule of law. Thank you and God bless you. Share and subscribe for more of our videos.